Hi guys, we're going to actually do some examples of identifying the different types of angles. Definition means everything, and that means you better know alternate means opposite sides of the transversal, and that every set of these have to be non-adjacent angles. But you can eliminate based off of just two things. Are they on the same side of the transversal? And are they exterior or interior? It's a pretty simple type thing to do. So let's look at number one, and this is what we're talking about. Here's our transversal. They're on the same side of the transversal. So that's two choices, corresponding or same side interior angles. Well, I look at this. Remember the interiors between the two sides. When this one's an interior, this is an exterior one. That means they're going to be corresponding angles. All right, so corresponding angles work with that one. Now look at the next one. Here's our transversal again. This is an interior. Oh wait, they're both an interior. They're on opposite sides. So we need to remember alternate interior means opposite. So it works out pretty good. So we have alternate interior angles. All right, now let's look at the next one. Here again, we have a transversal, and ask yourself first, are they on opposite or on the same side? Well, where my pencil's covering up, they're going to be on the same side. So then look, are they interior or exterior or both or neither? Well, in this case, they're both interior. So those are going to be the same side interior. Now also remember, I said they make a C shape. Look at the rough cubic C shape right there. So it's a way of seeing it and kind of lets you have a good visual. And then we go over number 4. Here we have a transversal. They're on opposite sides. One's on each side. They're both in the interior. They're definitely not on zigzag shape with the make of those angles. So it's right there. All right, and then our next one, 1 and 2. Are they on opposite or same side? Same side. Two choices, corresponding or same side interior. Oh, look, they're both in the interior. So same side interior angles. And then we have our next one. We have our transversal, and they're on the same side or opposite sides. Well, they're on the same side, but one is interior and one's exterior. Well, they make that famous F shape, which means they're going to be corresponding angles. Hopefully that's kind of giving you an idea. You ask yourself the right questions, you're going to get the definition you need and the stuff that you have. All right, next one says, name all the pairs of corresponding angles formed by the transversal T. So here's our lovely transversal again. And the two lines it's intersecting. Now remember, if we're working with this, we have 8 angles, 4 pairs of corresponding. They have to be on the same side, one interior, one's exterior. So I'm just going to list these out for us. 1 and 5. 4 and 7, so angle 4 and angle 7. 2 and 6, because remember one's alternate interior, one's interior, one's exterior. And the last but not least, 3 and 8. 3 and angle 8. Now it says let's find all the alternate interior. Remember, here's your interior. All right, so they have to be on opposite sides and non-adjacent. Well, 3 and 4 are adjacent, so that doesn't work. So it has to be 3 and 5. So angle 3 and angle 5, and then we have angle 4 and angle 6. Again, Z shapes. Notice here's a Z, here's a zigzag Z. All right, same side interior angles are the easiest ones to understand. They're on the same side, both interior. Well, you only have 2 interior angles on the same side. So they're your pair. We have angle 4 and angle 5, and angle 3 and angle 6. Now those aren't plus signs, those are really sloppy and signs, my friends. So hopefully this will help us figure out how to identify these and be able to work with them when they are also parallel.